Okay, so I went today and picked up 4 Amazon liquidation mystery boxes. Um, they're selling them now for $65. The last one I got, I paid $250 for. I've sold a few things from it, but it's more long tail. You don't know what's in them, until you open it. These boxes are smaller, and from what I'm told, they're not supposed to have a lot of electronics in them, but anyway, they're selling them now for $65 for this size. You can see the size. So I went and picked up 4. So I'm gonna open the first one so we can look and see what's in there. Let's take a look, see if it's something good. Okay, let's see. Looks like miscellaneous stuff. Okay. Okay, so this is a wireless keyboard, brand new, with the cover. Bori Yuan. I'm probably saying the name wrong, but it's brand new in the box. And I looked it up, and one recently, I paused it and looked it up. One recently sold a couple of days ago for $44.99. I only found one on eBay. And it sold for $44.99 with free shipping. The exact one. So I have that one. I have, so that's that. Let's see. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. 5, 6. I've got 7 of these in this box. 7 of them. So if one sold for $44.99 times 7, that's pretty darn good. I'd say I've already made back my $65. As a matter of fact, once I sell all 7 of those, then I have made back my entire purchase price from today with profit. Just from these 7. That's pretty darn good. Okay, next I found a water hose in this bag. This appears to be some kind of toys, maybe little dinosaurs. It look like you put them together. Not heard of that. In the bag. No, it doesn't. Appears to be a toy. This, let's see, says dogs, is a, reusable sandwich bags. Reusable sandwich bags. That's interesting. Okay. I have no earthly idea what this is. None whatsoever. This says fashion. Tell me what it is. No, I guess I need to open it. This appears to be quite look like shorts. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look that up. I don't know what that is. This says balloons. Let's take a look. This is a giant balloon thing. I guess a number. I don't know if it's a S or a 7. Okay, let's see. Eyelashes. Okay, we got eyelashes. Okay, another set. Got some masks. Those are pretty cool. This is a smart corkscrew. Interesting. It says stickers. Another smart corkscrew. Oh, a mystery box. Let me open it. I have no earthly idea. None whatsoever. This is a universal wireless optical mouse. I looked up this brand on eBay. One recently sold for $17. Not bad. And this is a, don't even ask me what a turkey orange is. I don't know. Something. These are Casa True wireless earphones. I guess those are earplugs. Some masks. Another set of the earphones. Cordless charger cords. Some more stickers. Okay, a couple of more packs of stickers. Bow maker for ribbon. Interesting. And then there's another one, same thing. We got some more masks. I don't know what this is. Let's see. I don't know. This thing, maybe a watch cover. Another smart corkscrew. And then let's see what's in this big box. It's a Start Your Life water jug. It's huge. Ah, okay. You fill this big gluten thing up, and then I guess at the different times of the day, it encourages you to drink water. Oh, it's a gallon. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay. Okay. So that's basically all that's in this box number 1. So the best find crap. In here would be these. So remember, I paid $65 for this entire box, and just these 7 will make almost $300. So well worth it this time. So anyway, so this time I'm not dissatisfied. $65 into well over 300. I didn't even add up the little smaller items, but just knowing that the potential to make between 300 to 400 at least is pretty good off of a $65 investment. So I'm satisfied with it. So what I'll do is in a few days, I will open another box and we will see what is in box number 2. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Be sure to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I know a lot of people are watching but not subscribing. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I release new videos, new content. So I'm going to go ahead and get a couple of things listed, and we'll just see what happens. So again, this is Cheryl, and I'm saying you all have a great day on purpose. On purpose. Cheryl out.